इसमें ज्वेलरी और कैश मिला के क्लोज टू ₹500 crore worth items were stolen, and in which we had registered an FIR on 31st under sections of IPC 454, 457 and 380 IPC. After close to a month of sincere and persistent and intelligent efforts of Panji police station team under the leadership of Inspector Nikhil and SDPO Sudesh, we have arrested the accused from West Bengal, and he has been produced before the court and now is in police custody. And during his police custody we have recovered jewelry which was part of the stolen items from Mumbai. इस केस में मैं यह बताना चाहता हूं कि दिस वॉज ए कंप्लीटली ब्लाइंड केस. इनिशियल एक हफ्ते में वी वर नॉट हैविंग एनी क्लू अदर देन ए CCTV recordings in which a person was coming in a cycle. एक साइकिल में आ रहा था और उसमें भी he was completely covered his फेस भी कवर किया था, और ये साइकिल में आ रहा था और साइकिल से जा रहा था. और उस घर पे भी when he broke into, his face was covered, but we continued our efforts. In fact, Nikhil and his team, PSA Sanket as well as other team continued the efforts. पूरा CCTV ट्रैक किया तो we found one suspicious person who was actually following the same track in which we found out the cycle man was tracking. फिर हमने ट्रैक किया तो we saw this person was going towards कैसीनो as well. कैसीनो में जा रहा था, वहां पे उसका फेस क्लियर आ गया. फिर उसके बाद पोंडा में जा रहा था, वहां से भी उसका फेस क्लियर आ गया. बट दिस पर्सन हैड गिवन फेक फोन नंबर्स एट डिफरेंट लोकेशंस. उसका नंबर्स भी फेक था. फिर उस CCTV को और उसको पूरा ट्रैक करने के बाद वी वर फाइनली एबल टू ट्रैक द पर्सन्स ID कार्ड. बट ID कार्ड में भी इट वाज ओनली हिज नेम एंड हिज एड्रेस, बट हिज whereabouts were unknown. With a very intelligent plan in which we have found out the identity of this person is Nepali and he is of the age 31 years. फिर हमने देखा कि इसका जो नंबर जो ट्रैक यूज किया है, दिस नंबर्स इज लिंक्ड टू वन इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट एंड फेसबुक अकाउंट. इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक अकाउंट में देयर इज नो अदर नंबर बाय व्हिच वी कैन ट्रेस हिज लोकेशन, बट द इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट वाज एक्टिव. द पुलिस ऑल्सो क्रिएटेड ए फेक इंस्टाग्राम ID ऑफ ए गर्ल. वहां पे उसको पेश किया कोर्ट में. कोर्ट ने हमें ट्रांसिट वारंट दिया. ट्रांसिट वारंट के बाद वी केम हियर, वी प्रेजेंटेड इट बिफोर द कोर्ट हियर वेयर वी गॉट द PC, और उसके इंस्टेंस में वी रिकवर्ड सम ऑफ द ज्वेलरी फ्रॉम मुंबई. द केस इज अंडर फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन. द एक्यूज्ड नेम इज सुरेंद्र छेत्री, सन ऑफ लेट श्रीनाथ. Sorry. Sir, we are actually assessing that some of the majority of them are jewelry.
Sir, when did the crime happen?
Crime happened on 30th night.
30th of
July.
So the full crime he involved by himself, or he was having the...
He only was involved in the crime. This person, this thief is also interesting. He doesn't target a particular house. He roams around the area. He just goes and checks which house is. Okay, so this was just, prima facie from the investigation what we found out, he was just roaming around in that area where this house was there. उन्होंने जाके देखा तो door was not properly, first floor door was open. इन लोगों ने नीचे बंद करके किया था, तो first floor door मिल गया कि कहीं पर खुला मिला है. Then see, you have to see this person is even roaming in cycle. साइकिल में घूम रहा था. फिर एक घर गया, वहां पे देखा तो घर खुला है. He went inside and stole.
So well planned.
No, it's not well planned. It's random. The activity is planned, but the house is random.
So he's operating individually.
He is operating individually.
Doesn't have a gang.
No, not yet.
Sir, you have mentioned about casino. You used to work casino.
No, he didn't work in the casino. He stole the items. When he stole, there was some cash also. He got close to 3 lakh cash from the house of where he did the theft, and using that cash, he went to the casino to play. From where we could identify that person, or his face was revealed.
So do you find any involvement in other crimes in Goa?
We are checking it as well.
Do you feel that this is the first case where Goa police use honey trap to track?
मुंबई में सामान कहाँ रखा था, मतलब आपने कहा ना किसके में?
नहीं, he was actually, उन्होंने एक दो जगह पे इन्होंने बेच दिया था, तो वहाँ से हमने इनको रिकवर किया.
So it is work, hard work of your PR.
Yes. It is completely pure hard work. In fact, more than hard work, it is persistence and intelligence which work in this case.
So total how much jewelry cost?
It almost all together cash और सारे मिला के I told you half a crore, close to 50 lakh, half a crore.